Hello, hello, once again. So, yeah, that was a little extended, but I should have, like, maybe 4 more hours in me. We'll see. I don't think I want to get too late. Might want to take it a bit easy at the end of today. But I have some stuff I can get onto. And because I couldn't leave well enough alone, I finally added the Chaos Egg, which is dropped by the Chaos Chicken. So, let me just jump in real quick. We probably won't be able to get it to pop, but... Boop. And the egg will sometimes break. Now, I'm also going to run back in and back out. So I think Yep, there we go. It has a chance of doing a random spell, but it should also just drop. I might want to put the probability of the egg breaking when you put it down a little bit. Let me just check on that. Find drop. Okay, let's see. An egg, and it's a rand. Should be rand 1 out of 8. That it drops, and there's a 1 out of 3 that it explodes because it's a chaos egg, chicken egg, and chaos chickens magic have a 1 out of. Yeah, okay, we can put it down. They're also worth quite a lot. I filled out more about random tables. Change it. Skull I need to change to the proper thing. That was something I remember. Skull 18, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'll check on the other ones in that area. 20, so that should be 19. Shield. Where is shield? Shield is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got that. So we got the random stuff going in. I'm just going to do a walk around and see what's popping in here. These can stay for a minute. I do have stuff coming in. So we got a wand. That was a rare. Actually, that comes in as commons. We got some random scrap. Got a staff of fire. Useful. And if I was playing this correctly, you know... Oh, I gotta run back and, save steps. Just toss it up there. Toss it up there. This isn't even worth bringing back. And we go around. Got more of this. That updates to currently what? Battle axe. More scrap. Sword. I'll carry the axe. There's no difference, but 50% of the time doing 60 damage. Or no difference on average. 50% of the time doing 6 damage is pretty alright. I think I explored everything, so heading back. Okay, 308. You know what? Let's just drop this here. Oh, got some. Did I not update this correctly? I think I probably skull. Set skull is equal to 20. Oh, 18, 16, 17, 18, 19, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Huh? Or did I call the... No, that's 18. It's the only one named that. Okay, one second. Let me reload it and see. Actually, I could just do that here. Okay, so main set chaos egg. Okay, chaos egg. Set skull. Set ring. Set money. Oh no, set bag. Set gold. Make sure that those are correct. Didn't I just change that to gold? Oh, it was open. That's why. Okay. There we go. Run it. So there's some gold, there's a skull, there's a ring, and there's a bag. Toss money. Okay. Let's go around and just check this again. There's a wand. Might want to change how the wand looks, but it has a feel. Ba-ba-ba. Not getting a lot of rolls. Got that. I will also say that the bag of money is random. Yes. Its value changes by a little bit. I did the same for gem, though I think you may have not been here, but I tried to look up in... What was it? A second. Castles and Crusades, which is kind of a weird offshoot of D&D. It's like literally in its 5th edition right now. I tried to see if they had like gem wharf table, but I couldn't find it, so I had to use old school essentials and kind of go off that. Oh, also I made a rock. I'll have to test that later. If the rock has throw damage, but it's utterly worthless, so it's not a good item. But you know, doing a full weapon damage but with a rock is kind of nice. Or with a random thing that you don't need to care about. So you can always just throw your weapon. It does some good damage. Anyway, let's drop. And 356. Let's go into the Fey 4. Ooh. Alright. Or not. Is the Alchemist one the only one that works? No? Well, let's take a look at Labyrinth for a second, and then we'll get back to that. Because this should have items as well. Yep, there we go. The Labyrinth, or the Maze, is supposed to be the most gold-focused. So I suppose if you want to just go whole hog, run in, grab stuff, and get out, this is the place to be. But you know, the issue is I should change that color. That's a mistake. That should be a white outline. Or a black outline, not a white one. Player has the black, or the white outline. Items have that. Okay. I'm getting it because why not? Because I could throw it. Oh, wait. I could throw it at myself. Yeah, see, I took 6 damage. There, I tested it. It's a good thing early on I went, I have to have throw work on the player. Very few, I don't even think I have any enemies that properly throw anything. I mean, I could drop this, drop this. Oh, it doesn't iterate multiple times over that. I'll need to fix that. So how does this... So the Fey Woods is the only one that's breaking. Ooh, ring. Oh, no. Labyrinth is supposed to have the items. The Tome is supposed to have all the, like, rare loot. Type. So literally grave robbing right now. And getting lost and confused. Let's go back and we'll toss that stuff up there. Yeah, I looked everywhere over here. This might be a short one, or I might just keep going forever, left and right. Also, I do think it's kind of funny, you do have a... Yeah, there's a lot of rings. Did I just screw up the roll on that, and it's just only giving rings? Might be. I'll check into the random rare table. Or it's common. I'll check on both. Might as well get that. Wait, am I going the wrong way? Yeah, because I'm finding stuff. Nothing over there. Okay. Drop this. Drop this. Go back. I should be, like, finding every once in a while, like, a rare gem or something, but... Oh, wait! I don't think I have the common rare items set up. So that could be it. So, literally, I'm not getting everything I need. Yeah, okay. Let's take a look at what's going on in Fey Forest. Set Forest. Do-do-do-do. So, it's just like the rest. Current areas, Fate Force. Yeah, there shouldn't be any reason why it's dropping me in the middle of nowhere. Weird. I don't like that. Excuse me for 1 second. Okay, I don't like that I was doing that, but it's not consistent. Whoops, I didn't turn this back off. Okay, the other thing I need to do... Tally up item. Well, or no, this should be a well. Now you can have hyper-stacked items. Okay. Because what happened is that it grabbed at that location the very first one, and then, you know, worth 1 gold, and then moved on. Weird. Oh, wait. It might be possible that I have something in the Fate Forest set up wrong for the portals? Like one of these options might not be... No? So that's Oring. That's Oring. Okay, so... Yeah, okay. Let's see. It says it's a downward one, so we've encountered those before. Let's fix this real quick before... Yeah, because this is a down one too. Okay. I'm going to make a little thing that could make a terrible infinite loop, but... equals maze. Bool in wall equals true. Well, in wall... This is not like your thin comics here, but... So if you end up spawning in a wall, it's just going to regenerate it. So it's done all that. No, it needs to clear off extra before I can check anything. Okay. Is wall equals oh, okay. I might as well just place all the items as well. Oh, here's the thing, because there's no point in placing all the stuff if you're stuck in a wall and it's going to reload it anyways. So, what I need to do... So here I am. Is wall is equal to... No, I need to get the cord stuff. So I need... screw it. Okay, just be inefficient. You don't have time to be figuring this out. Okay, so we get down here. If is or in wall equals is wall map array player.x player.y std cci, are you in wall? Okay. Are you happy? You're happy. I'll pause it just so I can actually verify, because if it's working properly, I'm never going to know. Well, I mean, like, I'll see spam out here, but once I remove some of the spam, it says I'm in a wall, it says I'm in a wall, it says I'm in a wall. Okay, we have to kill this. Okay, so that's been properly killed. Let's remove that for a second. Then we'll just break out and see if it is actually in a wall. And not if I'm just screwing something up. Okay, it's asking for the pause. I hit enter. I am in a wall. Okay. Let me turn off the pause. The show. Wait, are all the maps still... Okay, yeah, let's... I don't need that in here. Okay. If I turn all that off... You're still showing a million things. Okay, please crash. Turned off the validate. Are all these things still... It's... We don't need that in there. Because that's slowing it down. It should be going through like very fast. We could save a few frames by just throwing this... Oh. Floor variant has to happen after it gets cleaned up. Where's the clean? Clear extra, yeah. Did I lose stuff? Wait. Okay, I need to go back a bit. I deleted something I shouldn't have. Let's go back before I even start doing any of this crap. Okay. So we start this. That's going all the way up there. We have the clear extra. We have the... Why is floor variant up here? Floor variant shouldn't be up here. Because that needs to be done after it's cleaned. We'll get rid of this. Okay. Test that this works. Nope, everything's broken and broke. Oh, yeah, I never... Okay. Is wall... In wall... equals is wall... map array. It helps if I have this in here. Player.x, player.y. Okay, that works. I don't know if it's actually like really doing everything. Okay, so that might have fixed it in how it's supposed to be, and I'm just going to have a centered cout. Were you in wall? That there. In wall. Boop. Boop. Was not in wall. Is not in wall. Is not in wall. Not in wall. Also on the return. Let's actually put that below the thing. Return. Go home. Go home. Actually, we could just set it in the wizard area. That makes everything. Player X equals 5 by 5. if map type equals elk lab, else if map type equals forest, Fey, can I actually, okay, there we go. Else if current map, current type, current area, okay. Maze, else if current area equals tome of the giants. Else default. Splat you in right there. So let me check, because I'm going to put it as player.y equal main hub. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3 down. Whoops, I closed the wrong thing. I want to go over here. Back into here. So this is 3 down. And player.x equals 4. I should probably put that up. Is that 3 down, or is that... Do I need to put myself at 4 down? 4 down. Okay. Equals 4. Player.x equals 8. Player.x equals... Are these every 5? 1 second. Okay. They're 5 off minus 1, so 9, 14. Thank you for putting me right in the middle of that and not be x equals 19. Okay, let's run that. So I should be able to exit that. Okay, I'm 1 more down than I should be, so I was correct on saying y equals 3. Because, yeah. 0 indexing, 0 would put me off the top, so I go in here, I go yes, I go down here, it's all like that. And then I should also have on this, because there's a start area for int I, or index equals 0, index is less than map, total, index plus plus, FOV, array, index equals bool. Because I'll have it use CNEV. Oh, no, true. No? Default basic map, void. Oh, scene array. What am I thinking? Okay. Set wizard. I had the right idea, just the wrong thing. Because I have 2 arrays. Yeah, there we go. We've seen everything, so we go in here, we hit yes. Woohoo. We go back. Okay, let's see what some of the rare is. Got a skull. Okay. The funny thing is I have skulls cost some money. Or be somewhat useful. Wait, why is it... Oh, okay, the hyper stack might not be right. Okay. Tally up items. Okay, I also need to reset that item. There we go. So it encounters any item and then it just, you know, does that forever. Okay, let's get 2 items, stack them up. Let's see that I get something for them. That said, having a bag of money actually isn't the best for this because, it'd be random. Can I find... Oh, whatever. Let's just drop it in and see if it infinite loops. Okay. Drop. 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 Okay. Skull in that. So that's 175. Let's drop that. So that is 175, so I drop it. Drop that. 230. Okay, they add up. We're good to go. Let me check the item drop thing, because I swear my rare stuff isn't set up right. And maybe I just didn't finish it. So we have the common. We have set rare. Set common item. Set common forest. Set rare. Oh, I don't have set up for anything just generic. Only if it goes into there. Int roll equals rand 10, because I'm going with that. If roll is under 4, set rare, or set common money. Item array XY. I keep putting that capital A in there. Else, if roll is under 6, set rare weapon, I guess. else set rare rare money item. Item array XY. Actually, I might have screwed up that. Okay, it finished loading. So I should see more rare items now. Oh yeah, the ring. I wanted to check to see if ring. Set ring. So that's in common money. It's only in common money. I just haven't been seeing rare money. Okay. Let's go to where the rare money is and see some of the drops. Hopefully. Axe. There's a ring. Well, it's 50-50 on the... If it's common money is being spawned, then it's 50-50 on the ring, so I guess. I should put some more flavor ones in there because it's only spawning like that in the money bag. I just haven't seen any rare items, so I feel like something weird is going on. You are just a bag. Okay, it's a money bag. Actually, I've not seen any rare items at all, now that I think of it. I haven't seen, like, a rare weapon. It all just feels like it's... Okay. Am I not rolling rare? Rare item. Let's just take that out. It's funny, but I don't think there's enough density right now for haha, your rares don't exist to be a thing. Rare item flag and rare item flag. STD, see out. Rare item. Oh, it's a 50% chance. No, 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 no. Okay, 1 out of 5 times. So, of course, the first thing we see is a ring. My general philosophy with common stuff is there should be more common stuff than rare or uncommon, because you're going to see it everywhere. Unlike old games, especially gacha games, that gacha has a different reason, but where for no good reason they put all the interesting content at the end. I kind of call it the goblin design problem, because nobody wants to make a million goblins, because they're not interesting. They're low level things. They're going to fight low level players, and then they're going to be never touched again. But so why not design, like, instead of designing like 5 more generic goblins, why not spend time to make one cool end game thing? But 1, players may never get to that. And 2, if they play the game a lot, they're going to be... Yeah, I just don't think rare stuff is spawning. They're just going to... Let's see. Rare item. they're just going to be seeing lackluster enemies from the start of the game and just... Yeah, I'm not even seeing a rare item. Maze... Alk Lab has them, right? Rare item. Like, this one's further down the list than that. Let's just make it 11, because we aren't using uncommon anymore. Is it just not showing up because it's too far down the list, and I'm being silly and, like, counting my bits? Because the basic one is working out. So I should see a bunch of those, right? So anyways, like... Yeah, I'm seeing a bunch of them. So... if you want the game to have replayability, you better have really good starting content. But also, if you want to actually have a person reach endgame, you have to have good starting content, because... as a common complaint that comes out is like... I've been playing this game for 4 hours, and none of it's interesting. And then, you know, oh, if you played for like 10 hours more, it'll get interesting. Then once you played for 10 hours more, if you didn't like the... and still don't like it, if you didn't like the game, why did you play it for 12 hours? Yeah, I think there's something wrong with the rares. But... my philosophy is that, like... and also, in movies and in a lot of good games and all that, the beginning and end is where all the memorable stuff is, because that's just how it happens. If the game has a really strong opening, people lament that it had such a strong opening, but then it just, like, it fumbled at the end. And people remember the end because it's the last thing they do in there. The middle is kind of like you could slop in a little bit, as long as you don't make it outstay its welcome. Because it's not something that's going to, like, wall off people. Unless you, like, make it you can't stand it. Because then you'll have, like, oh, it started out good, but it went nowhere. But if you have, like, if it didn't start out good, it's like, yeah, it was a bad game. Because they have nothing to talk about. It had a bad start, they didn't get anywhere, or it had a bad start and then it had slop in the middle to, like, fill it out, because you need a little bit of something. You can't have it all be... we put all our budget into 2 boss fights, one at the start, one at the end. And the game's like 10 minutes long. Yeah. But you also need to start strong. Well, as I said, like, if you don't start strong enough, nobody will see the end. Yeah, very much so. They do that because of the... they do that because of the returns. Which was for, you know, like, games that actually, like... the players didn't get what they want. And hyper-fixating on the first 2 hours is kind of a band-aid on that. Anyways, let's get back to this. So, let's, if tile... no, I could just print tile value. We move it over 10. Is that the right amount to move it over? Oh. I see. Okay, I don't think I need to do this. Okay, let me try again. Because I think that... Oh, please. Because I think this is, once again, I'm making a mistake of looking at... Okay, so this is everything coming in based on the tile. Okay, let's try this. So this is coming in with an original tile value of this. And this is currently what our tile value is. And our basic flag is this. Anyways, what's going back to in that a lot of games might be hyperfixating on starting strong because, like, nobody finishes games anymore, it kind of feels like. Not enough time and all that, and, like, they're not even, like, going for short or anything. Okay, look, what do we see over here? So I have a little bit of wiggling going on in this. Wait a second. Is it doing the equals? Let's try this again, because this should be the correct way to do this. But let's try and do this. Because this is flags. I shouldn't need to shift it at all. Flags should be across the entire byte. Oh, I'm getting rare items now. Okay, they're spawning in. And I should just, like, put a few on the map. That's that's like more than 12 distance from player. There it is. There's a rare item. Or is that... No, these are common in there. Okay, let me just... Okay, there's multiple rare items in this one. We picked up a dirt potion. Got a staff. Though I think these are common in... They're very common in here, but I can't tell because it's not one of the real, like, I can tell this is a rare item. It's money and ring. There's potions. It's feeling like it's working better now. There's a nice staff. There's a shield, which I have as a random loot item. Maybe I'll implement the joke with it later. That shouldn't be a rare item, though. I can't pick up anymore. Okay, and I can go out, I can cache some of this. Then I'll check the other dungeon. I think that's the problem, is that I was... The equals is faster than the bitwise and, which is weird. Maybe it helps if I, you know, drop that, drop that, drop that. Okay, let's see what's in this force. Then I need to get the enemies starting to spawn. There's some random scrap. Yeah, there's a couple rares dropped in here. I can see from my debug out. You know, I can make magic rings that come out at the Fae area. And they just do things if you're in your inventory. Oh, like I can make an anti-magic ring that it has a chance to... Oh, there we go. This is a pure drop from that. Like a magic ring that will... you take no damage, but it has a chance of breaking. And I could have like the physical variant. And that can be checked outside of things. Or I could have a ring of, you know, revive, which is very expensive, but, you know, you might want to carry that on you. Oh, fire sword. So the vault is living up to having the weapons in it. That said, I need more weapons, or at least interesting weapons. I do have the bone thing in here that the monster hunter drops. I have the orb. One second. Let me drop this. 1 second. It has a use key. I ponder the orb. 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 There's no good reason for that. Yeah, I'm heading. I should have dropped it once again. So let's drop this. Let's drop this and move in. Maybe I should make this have different walls. I can make it just like a... Make it more pillory. Don't know, just something. I want to find a gem. Yeah, a rare item did drop, so... You know, I could make it a joke and have the thrown shield have the is throwable tag on it. And that'd be amusing. Yeah. Not finding the exciting money I was or loot type items I was expecting. Let me see in here. I know I have more basic items than rare items. Okay, let me go back over here to the tome. There's a bunch of more rare items in here. Alas. I don't remember your name. Got an orb. Orb's definitely a rare item. I think it's actually a rare money item, so it's possible I screwed something up on there. And I think I'm going to do this right away before I forget. I want to int offset x equals rand 3 minus, or 3 minus 1 int offset y equals rand 3 minus 1 if not is wall map array x plus offset x y plus offset y x plus equals offset x y plus equals offset y. This just makes me feel better about how it's not exactly the same all the time. Which it won't matter. Nobody's going to care. Nobody's going to notice. But I know. And it took 5 seconds to put in. Now there's a couple of rare items in here. Room. Yeah, not much else to say. Just give me the rare items. Once again, a ring. Once again, I'm going to take a look at it because it's quite possible in the rare item. The tomb one, I did not. Okay, yeah, I set it a little. The tome one, set rare. Let's do that. Let's see if that does any. Otherwise, it's just going to be a lot of money, and it's real boring to just see coins all the time. And 3 rare items spawned. I just want to see some gems pop up. I want to see the gold bar. Just something that is... Oh. Nope. That's a sword. Okay, crawl this way. Okay, now I'm going to stick to the left wall. I did not do this properly. I was getting lost. Alas. But anyways, nobody wants to design the goblins. There's a reason why the common enemies are kind of wacky, and at least what I'm hopefully I can put in here, maybe like playtesting later tonight will show that they are not the best for this. But yeah, there's multiple rare items. It's just this place is huge. I don't know how huge because I turned off the map because it takes a second to generate that. Unironically, a wall time of a second. Okay, there's some metal armor. I don't think that's rare, but... I haven't found boots yet. Oh, there we go. We got the giant bone knife. Though that's just a standard rare off rare weapons and not rare as in money rare. Just to test, it's going to all be rare items. And then I think at the hour I will definitely switch over to get spawning working because that's very important, and then I'll get the time clock on there because, yeah. So we go over to the money area. Now everything should be a rare item, so if I'm seeing rings everywhere, I have something screwed up. Wait, I'm following left, which is at bottom now. I think nothing's actually spawning. I think there's a hole in rare items and something's falling through and not actually coming in. So that's an alchemist rare from... Okay, we got a rare weapon from the normal spawn on there. Did I not do the tome? I just was just look. There's a ring. That's possibly from the common section of the rare items of tome. Same for that. Is money just not set up correctly? I'll have this as to-do fix. Over here, I'm just going to put some debug. Rare tome. Rare maze. Rare forest. Rare elk. Oh no, I have this as common money is set up in there. Yeah, let's... It's not fun to see. If, roll is less than... No, let's just get rid of it entirely. This can be like 4. Otherwise, it's actual loot. The game's about getting loot. Yeah, the common money in there was screwing me up. Okay, let's see how this feels now. Because I just want to see some rare actual loot. So we got the fire sword. Got the purse, but as I said before, there's in the commons. Yeah, okay, I'm taking that completely out because I don't like it. Rare money has... Oh, the bag is in there. Yeah, let's drop the bag from this completely. Put this down to 4. fine. Set gem. 23 on here is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay. That should be it. So. Yeah, I'm being too conservative on giving out, like, all of the stuff that is actually interesting. It's a roguelike. Oh, no, they... That's a... Everything is money big. Oh, there's the mop. Yeah, let's... Rare... Rare... Blah. I can't think. Set rare tome. Set rare money. Oh wait, I had the program open, that's why. Still, everything is rolling. Bag of money. There we go, we got some gold. Let me put a little highlight on that quickly. A little bit of... Okay, that's a lot of gold. I haven't seen anything else yet. I want to see gem. So we got the orb. The orb is good. I went too far. Follow the left wall, you fool. Okay, that's cool. More gold. Is it actually gold, or did I just screw up the, Nope, it's gold. RNG is not in my favor in making things that are... Okay, one second. I think that... Set rare... Yep, I totally want to work down there. That's his... Rare money. Void. Set rare money. No, yeah, set gold is the default. Wait, what's going on here? Oh, I'm not braking. That's why. I forgot to put brakes in here because switch contacts is weird. Okay, let me look in all my switches because I might be doing that in other places because I'm not used to this. Nope, they all look fine. That explains, like literally everything was the gold bay. And we got the gold, we got the ice axe. Give me a gem or something. Got that. That's a lot of items being rolled. Gold. I saw an orb earlier, but that comes in off of Alchemist too. I might just stop using switches because, oh no, things can go off to the end, so default. Oh no, our syntax for switch, it makes it faster, but, yeah, I think something is just... The switches aren't working at all. Okay. Remaking all the switches into ifs because reasons. I find it dumb when this doesn't work right. If roll equals 0, well, let's go to the money one. Because I was see... Oh, they're all ones of fire. Okay. Yeah. Let's not screw around and just actually get stuff to work. And screwing around is trying to figure out why things don't work right. For what should be basic, easy to use syntax, but no. There has to be cases and things that break. Yet it compiles perfectly fine. That's the part that gets me. I'd rather have it throw a fit in error than, oh no, everything's fine, I'm going to do something completely unexpected. If roll equals 0. Oh god. Else if roll equals 1. I mean, they're doing the right thing. They're going to their default case. It's just the default case is absolutely not what it should be because it's rolling something else. Okay. Whoops. There we go. I honestly don't care. I'd rather use switches. Yeah, I'd rather use switches, but I'm not going to spend 3 hours trying to figure out why they're not working. It's not conductive to actually finishing this. It's a proper thing to do, but yeah, I don't care. Yeah, it would be the actual proper thing to use, but it's just always doing defaults, and I don't care. I'm aware that is the proper thing to do, but hey, I should take a 7-hour class to figure out, watch a 7-hour YouTube video of somebody going off of Notepad or of Notepad to like not even voice over to tell me how to use a switch statement, and sitting here and just all the bullshit of that. I hate YouTube programming. I think I go over it all the time, but it's so much of when they actually do talk, it's nothing I want to hear them talk about. When they don't talk, it's through it's through a notepad. Too many times I've looked up, like, how do I do this one thing? And an hour gone, and they really didn't explain how to do the one thing. But they explained their whole philosophy about programming. It's just sitting there for a whole hour going, I don't care. Can you... Your video is named this. Why have you not actually explained this yet? Yes, okay, I understand you're setting up an entire project and going over setting up the project in order to show how to do this one little thing. That's partly also why I'm writing, we're trying to work in C++ now, so I never have to see one of those. Here, I'm going to do a simple thing to show you how to do a sprite map in this programming language. Now first, let me talk about the several different ways you can set up a project to properly do this, or you have to go back to my other things. It's like, okay, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to watch this, and then I'm going to find out they set up their project really weird, and none of the stuff works unless I go through all what they did, and it annoys me to no end. I don't like how these are set up, but it's kind of neat. These are working, though. Why is it that it's not working for the other ones? Well, either way, if those are working, I'll keep them, because I've been seeing shield, scrap, and all that stuff. Okay, let's try this. It's working for this one. It's just inconsistent, and I've set up some... Whatever. If these are working, these are working. Oh yeah, elk, rare... Oh, yep, thank you for being down there. And I've scrolled up here. Rare elk. 13's a good number. Else, if roll is under 13 or 12, set random book or set book item array XY. I think it's book. Yeah, that's it. Awesome. What's wrong? Oh, because I didn't put it on there. Okay. Like, a lot of the problem with finding stuff now is people doing, like, either to improve their... Like, this isn't a problem in itself. It's just a problem out in the wild world. Like, trying to improve how to, like, explain things or explain it in order to know the concept. And now there's a YouTube video out there that doesn't explain it well, or even a web page. Or at this point, we're getting into problems of computer generated or of AI generated web pages on these topics, and it's like, no, this actually is completely incorrect. But we have somebody poorly explaining this, but it's the algorithm has chosen it over the proper information. Now I'm just getting orbs. Oh, nope, there we go. We got a gem. Okay. Just use ifs. Everything got better. Okay. Is there anything else I had in there? Though I should probably decrease the chance of orb. Orb is kind of a rare thing. Yeah. Orb. Thank you once again. I really like searching in my in my command window for stuff. Set rare money. Void. Okay, there we go. Yeah, let's make this an if so that I can make the orb a little rarer. Because you can't, I don't think you can do... Else if true. No, this should be the else. Because I was trying to figure out how to do conditionals and switches, and that wasn't working either. It might not be possible. Or it has very finicky syntax, and like looking at the basic information of it where they break down how the syntax works and like don't show a single thing about it. I can't do those tutorials. I can't do those sites. I look at it and go like, okay. Is this telling me something I can actually use? And the answer is usually no, because you'll find out you need others set up before then anyways. It just drives me a little nuts. If roll equals 0, else if roll equals 1, else if okay, we'll have it be 8. If roll is less than 3, if roll is less than 7, I like those. And in this day and age, literally, well, I don't have anybody I can ask about any of this stuff. But I don't think a lot of other people have it too. You can go to, like, you know, a forum and then get, you know, thrown out because, oh, you don't understand this. You should understand this before coming here. Stack Overflow is really bad about it too. Because, I mean, it's Stack Overflow. You go there looking for a solution and you get somebody trying to do... I actually saw this the other day. And trying to figure out how to do something in C++. Where they have an elaborate setup of templates and tell you to download this stuff. And the answer was literally like, oh, you just do the syntax like this and it's good. And they get upvoted. And they get told like, oh, this is the correct answer. It's like, no, it isn't. And then you look in the comments, it's like, this is a bad answer. This is how you actually do it without doing the rest of this. And it makes no sense. But Stack Overflow, as somebody put it, Stack Overflow has like the old guard, like hardcore programmers answering people's homework to get like or to get kudos for that. And that seems like a recipe for disaster, which I in my opinion, yes. It is. But at least it had somebody trying to put down some code that you can like look at in 5 minutes and not have to wait a half hour for them to, you know, drop it on you after they tell you their life story, which I can't do. When I have to, I watch those videos at 2 times speed and I try not to get mad. Because they're wasting my time. They may not be intentionally doing it, but it is what's happening. Okay, anyways. I think, well, let's try the other ones and see what the rare distribution looks like over here. Okay, so rare gem. We got the rare item from the common stuff. Well, it'd be nice if we find a chaos egg in the wild. Look at it. Hey, I got the chaos egg. Let's pick up some stuff and like go back there. Oh, I got an orb. Orbs are worth a lot. Let me grab one more thing and then oh, look, another one. Okay, that's awesome. Let me go back. Then I'll tell you my master plan. No, there it is. Okay, let me drop this right here. Let me drop this right here. Let me drop this. Oh no! It exploded in ice, destroying my glass orb and my other Chaos Chicken orb. So, in case you don't know, there are Easter eggs, like literal Easter eggs in Lethal Company. And you can throw them at things, or when you drop them, there is a chance that they crack. and they have, like, you know, some funny effects, and then they also have an explosion effect that may happen. So you drop the egg, and it just clears out your entire... it just clears out everybody in the ship and kills them all. And it's also, like, technically the most the item that can kill every enemy in the game that can be killed, because it sets them on fire and the tick damage just doesn't go away, so they'll eventually die. It's kind of stupid, but great. Yeah. It might go through a wall, might not go through a wall. Let's risk it. Okay, now that I have it comments, I'll do a quick look around each one of these and just see how it feels. Okay, got a normal shield there. There's also something else in Lethal Company, the shotguns. They have a safety. It's the only game that I know that has a safety on, you know, weapons. Golden egg. And the safety exists. Like, you can't fire it if you have the safety on. If you put a shotgun down without a safety and it's loaded, it has a thing that it may just randomly go off. There is like a chance timer on it that it might just randomly go off. And I had seen Spiff, not Spiff, Astral Spiff. He does a lot of, yeah, Astral Spiff. He was doing a run where you're supposed to get every item in the game, or every rare item in the game, with some other people. And he's usually religious about putting the safety on the shotgun as he puts it down. But, like, it was some elaborate event where he picked it up and it had the safety off and he turned it on reflex and put it down. And it sat there, not doing anything until the last part of the run, when they actually get every rare item. Then they all step in there and it decides to go off and just kill them all. And then it gets rid of the rarest item because while it's on the ship now, you lose everything that's on the floor in the ship. So they lost everything, but they had completed the run. It was great. Just kind of, yes, amazing. And it was set up for more, you know, a ha-ha moment of, like, people just putting them down anywhere and not knowing about that mechanic. Because it makes sense. You should check that the safety is on when you leave a weapon laying around. But yeah. But I'm doing the other one of the egg. When you drop it, you kill everyone because it's an egg. Excuse me, and the egg has a chance to do wacky effects. Oh, I should go back. That's not the way back. So yeah, this is turning out better. I think I should make some rings. For this area, and like the Fey Force can have magic rings of reduced damage, or rings of protection. And then rings of fire resist that do literally fire resist stuff. Like half the damage from it. And they're worth a lot, but you might want to carry them. The ring of protection would be, you know, great to have, because most things do melee damage. And I also need to make something that works off blood, because I have the blood filth tiles, but I don't have anything that works off it. I can make like a blood golem. Oh yeah, I need to make the one thing that got stronger by having blood around it. That's one thing I could throw on here like later tonight, unless I do something else and like sleep. I think I'm lost. I believe I'm... Okay, I need to go that... Okay, I'm back. I'll just go back on this one, because that's a decent ways out. So let's just drop that. How does this look? We got a ring. Got scrap. This is really boring right now as a setup, because there's no enemies, so it's like just go everywhere all at once. Just hug the left wall, vacuum up the interesting stuff. Move on. Ooh. I still haven't seen boots. Do I have boots on the list? Nice. Nice boots. The nice boots. I guess it's a 1 out of 10 on there. Let's squeeze this down a little bit so that the boots have a place to shine. The egg's interesting, because the egg might be worthless to bring back, because, you know, egg. If you drop the egg, there's like a 8% or a 1 out of 8 chance to break. Oh god, somebody's actually going to draw a map as they play this. If they were doing it properly. Oh, that I feel slightly awful for that. It's the smart play, that's why. Okay. Now, time to move on to... Since I'm using global arrays, I might as well move this over there. So I had the enemy... I made this in here. It's, or is it over here? Yeah, so I have the count. I did not make the spawns yet. No, I don't need to bother. Okay, it can all live here. Because I'm spawning the enemy at the location. So, for spawn. Do I have basic up anywhere? No. It can just be indexes, that's fine. Int basic enemy spawn of basic monster spawn count. Int basic or rare enemy spawn rare Oh, must have a const. Okay, I didn't const it. Const means that it can't change. Effectively, it's embedded in memory at that location. And it's a guarantee that it won't change, though I think you can change it still. So I have this. I fill it up with -1s before I start. Okay, void set up spawn for I think there's a way to do this properly, but I can't remember it. I don't want to look it up for a half hour. One second. There should just be basic spawn count. Monster spawn count. It's less than monster spawn count, and index equals -1. Rare enemy spawn index equals -1. And then we go back to extra. Clear off extra. So it has to be done before this. So it's done in the same thing like this. But here. I'll do it in the same time as this happens because it could fill out. So we set up spawn, clear out the last one. So we're going through here. If it's a wall, yeah, I have the index in here. I can just pass it around. Item part. Enemy part. If tile value and basic enemy flag equal basic enemy flag, int basic at equals 0, int rare at equals 0. Okay, so now that I have that, I can go basic enemy spawn, basic at plus plus, because the plus plus will be done afterwards. If I do plus plus basic at, it'll be done going into here, which, it's not bad. Just to make sure. And basic at is less than monster spawn count, and this will equal index. Else if tile value and enemy or rare enemy flag. I think I could just literally do that, but rare enemy flag. I think I'm overthinking this, but whatever works. Spawn count. Rare enemy spawn rare at plus plus equals index. Alright. So we have all that, and probably above this I should make a spawn monster thing. So that said, I can go into entities and I can have a spawn monster thing. Not in the merge section. No. Basic move functions, drop entities. We'll put in here spawn function. Void spawn common monster. Int enemy array. Max enemy. Int x, int y. Let's just do common monster and rare monster right now, and we'll get back to it. Anything else I need in there? No. Monsters can move around, so I don't exactly need to have, like, oh, I'll put it here, so. Well, I can do that too, but. Anyways, what are the basic monsters? Let's go through the list. I am going to make a list of what I think is the basic semi-fodder monster. So, starting from the top, basic monster. Set inverse rat sets the basic monster, because inverse rat is what I consider a basic monster. I still have to figure out some stuff on that, so basic rat is not finished. Dungeon thing is most definitely a basic monster, though I shouldn't have it in other stuff, but we'll clean that out. Clock golem is a rare monster because it has an interesting mechanic, and that it can probably do some damage to you. I think I'm going to make it do more damage, actually. Ent.damage face equals 6, and let's give you 8 health and 8 health. Okay, so rare. Shy Knife Beast is a basic enemy. Zombie Chicken is most definitely a basic enemy. Uncertainty Lich, I will say, is a rare enemy because it can hit like a truck, and by that I mean I'm going to increase that. Roach is not a basic enemy. It is a funny enemy, but it is not a basic enemy. Killer Vine is spawned by something else, though I think Killer Vine is a basic enemy, though not sure if I should have it spawn on its own. The Mud Golem is a basic enemy. The Janitor... he'll be a freebie of a rare enemy. The Spawner is a basic enemy because it only really works if you are at that. Fodder will not spawn on its own. That is not how it works. Potion Slime is a basic enemy. Janitor Slime is the I might kill you rare enemy. Chaos Chicken is most definitely a rare enemy, and a kamikaze enemy at that. Mad Mummy is a rare enemy. Imp is a basic enemy. It is actually harmless unless you are carrying a scroll or staff or a wand. Spinning Pea is a basic enemy. Randbat is definitely a basic enemy. I put it in there specifically for that. Killer Seed is a basic enemy. Yippee Bug I will put in there as a rare enemy. He is easily avoided, but he can ruin your day. Walking Wall, I'm going to put as a rare enemy. That's a gift, but he might literally make you get lost. Mundane Goblin is a basic enemy. Goblin Hero, however, is a rare enemy because of his ability. And Damper Goblin is most definitely a rare one because he can just ruin your day. Monster Hunter is a rare enemy. Most definitely. Cheshire Tiger is a rare enemy. And this also puts into the fact that I should probably put in more basic enemies like tonight or tomorrow or something. But we have a list. Let us make the list work. common. Spawn common monster. So we have... Let me look up switch statements. Can I just get a simple C++ switch statement syntax? Does it work differently for ints? No, it should work exactly the same. Yeah, it's exactly what I think it should be. I don't like it. Anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Int roll equals 14. And we're going to rand that. I hope this works. Because it is an utter pain to undo this. Okay, case 0, break. Case 1, break. Am I not doing it right? And that is why it is putting it on the next line. No, it is semicolon. So what am I doing wrong that it puts it on the next line? Or it says it's syntax. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Break. Case 2, break. Case 3, break. Case 4, break. Case 5, break. Case 6, break. Case 7, break. Case 8. Do I have to... The syntax I'm getting from the site is exactly the same. It is... Please. Oh no, you hovered you hovered in the gap between your toolbar and the actual thing. Therefore, we're going to close it all. It is literally just switch day. Curly bracket, case 1, semicolon, then it does the cout, then break and all that. But it's... The IDE says that is not the case, and I don't... I just want it to work. I don't want... It's bad to say I don't want to learn it, but if I can't learn it in like 5 minutes, I don't have the time for it. We'll find out quickly, because I'm going to actually put fodder as the last one. Case 13, break, and default. Do I put a break on the end? It's just going to fall off anyways. Okay. That one's going to be set fodder. Okay, before I do that, oops, hit the mouse wrong. Int new ID equals unused entity enemy array. Oh. Get unused entity, not effect. No, okay. If new ID equals -1, return, because nothing worthwhile in it. Okay, set fodder enemy array new ID X, Y. Okay, so if I see fodder and I don't see a swarm of them running at me like I'm playing Serious Sam. Enemy array new ID X, Y. And I am just going to copy that. I don't like how it's saying, oh no, that's not actually set up correct. It's the same line. Set dungeon thing. Going to be back in here a minute uncasing this. because something's weird. It's all perfectly syntactically correct, but it's weird. No, set knife. Set knife. Shy knife beast. Okay, and this one is zombie chicken. Set zombie chicken. Set roach. I'm going to have a killer vine spawn out randomly. Set roach. Or no, set killer vine. Now, vine. Okay, I'm surprised I didn't delete everything after that because, oh no. You're supposed to just enter it all correctly. Set mud golem. Set spawner. Set potion slime. Set imp. No, a wet imp would be something else. Water imp. Huh. I'm trying to think. Set randbat. Imps are usually fire. Like, you'll see a ice imp because, oh, the duality of ice and fire, but have I ever seen a water imp? Something in says, like, yes, water imps are a thing. I want to look it up quickly. Water imp. Well, they're in Final Fantasy 14. So I'm guessing they were in Final Fantasy. And they're saying kappas are water imps. I guess that's the whole... Something water-based became the water imp. Because localization. Okay. Set mundane. Kappa, 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 kappa. I'm surprised kappa is an emote over here. I love my irony emote set. Okay. So we have this. We go into here. Oh, no, we also need to check to see if there is... If we can't get an entity, there's no point. If, enemy at enemy? Oh, no, that's later on. Yeah, let's, move this entire... Yeah, it's literally below there. Okay. To the bottom with ye. Okay, so I can actually reuse the if entity at x, y does not equal -1, return. Oh, I forgot the enemy array list. Okay. And I'm going to go up here. Int get basic spawn location. Int roll equals random rand dot spawn monster spawn spot count. For int index, index equals 0. Index is less than monster spawn count. Index plus plus. And we're going to get an int x equals index 2x. Index. What? First off, if index equals -1, continue. Int y equals index to y index. Okay, we're good to go. If entity at entity array xy does not equal -1, or actually another one I should put in there. If FOV array index return. There, continue. Don't want to spawn in front of player. Okay, that's perfectly fine. So if that does not equal 1, continue. Otherwise... Oh, no, it's not supposed to be index. Int offset index equals index plus roll. That's the whole point of having the roll, so that it can offset this, so that it can go through the entire array. And then return offset index. Otherwise, return -1. Okay, and this is going to be exactly the same as the other one. I could do weird stuff like pass it in there, but... Is it literally just type kappa? Yeah, it's literally just type kappa. Wow. I think that literally just invaded from Twitch. I thought possibly it had an autocomplete for it. Because, you know, if you do the colons and then all the other stuff. But anyways. Get basic monster location, and then let's go back to all this stuff. Rare at. Yeah, there we go. For int index equals 0, or count equals 0. Count is less than 8. Count plus plus. Int spawn index equals get basic if spawn index equals -1. Break, because something terrible happened. And spawn common monster entity array index 2x spawn index index 2y spawn index. Oh, index 2y. Alright, now we should have monsters showing up. If I could actually properly do this. Oh, I forgot the plus plus. Index plus plus. Alright, let's hop in here. I can vary up and do the whole thing I did before with like, do I have basic and rare, do I have basic and rare spawns and everything? I don't, do I? Okay, let's make sure that I have, in Alk Lab, I have some basic enemy flags. Basic enemy flag. Okay. Basic enemy flag. Rare enemy flag. I would say that like most rooms should have a basic enemy put in them. Because this isn't like, actually I think rare enemies should possibly spawn on basic enemy tiles sometimes. Rare enemy flag. Like in rooms, I'm going to put rare enemies. But yeah. Maybe it shouldn't even be like one set or the other. I don't know. I'll figure out something. Yeah, we have a basic enemy flag there. We put a few in here. No rhyme, no reason. Okay. So we have it in the alchemist area. Let's look around. I'm seeing a bunch of last moves. So I must have some debug. Let me get rid of that because it's really annoying. Last move? Okay. Yeah, I was using that to figure out if enemies... So I think there's a few enemies floating about. If I see some of the SFX, I know I'm close. Nice. Well, it's not slowing down, so that's at least good. I don't like that I haven't seen any yet. Yeah, I have a feeling they're all like spawning in the corner or something. Okay, let me go into here. See out. Spawn enemy at X, Y, and L. So, spawning enemy at 4-1. Spawning enemy at 29-0? Spawn... Yeah, nothing should be at 0. Something's a bit off. Let me get back to this. So, basic... Oh. Mod spawn count. That's very important. Because if the spawn count is not modded, it goes off the edge. Which might be causing some things. Yeah, it's quite possible that that's the reason why it's causing some things. But I would still think I would see a few monsters pop up. No, I'm still getting them at 0. 1 second. I'm going to be right back. Mystery. Big mystery. Oh, crap. Sorry to hear that. No worries. No, I stepped away for a second. Okay, so what I'm getting back is that the spawn location is at like 0, at a Y of 0. That doesn't make any sense. So this is 2x spawn index. Oh, no, I'm supposed to use the index for this. Okay. Int tile index equals spawn common monster offset index. There we go. Well, first off, if offset is in there, I now need to go into this. I was braining. Oh no, this should be the basic enemy spawn. Okay. Okay, now I can do this, and now that it will be doing the proper thing. I was braining hard. Okay. No, that's not going to compile because I have that open, so now I get back into here. Now everything should be fine because I'm using the correct arrays. Hop in here. And we have... I don't see any monsters. 1 second. Run this again. Enter. So let me go back here. Oh, yeah, tile index is what I should be returning. Let me go back here. See out. Good. It's being used by another program. That means it's finishing up. Let's enter that. Spawn index is coming back as -1, so it's automatically exiting. That is proper. But why is it getting -1? Is it literally going through here? Oh. The FOV isn't set yet. Bool check FOV equals true. Because the FOV is not set yet at this point, it will be useful for later things, but for now we will just set it to false. Oh, nope, it helps if I actually close this. Nope, I don't need it to go off right now. I need it to recompile. Okay, nope, it's still coming back -1. Why is it doing that? I don't want to put a standard out in that because I'm going to be seeing a bunch of stuff come out. Well, I guess I have to. I think all the tile indexes are not set properly. So I'm going to see a million of these pop up, but... No, it's just hitting the first one. It's going, oh, nope, you're not set. If offset, or if tile equals -1. So am I screwing up how to look at the stupid flags again? Oh, nope, I have this open. Oh, no, it's... Okay. Everything's fine. Let me just clear that out. So it was hitting the first one and just returning it, which was not ideal. Now it's actually spitting them out right. Because technically, I don't have enough things. So the first one it hits is -1. And it wasn't continuing on it. Okay, so now I have a bunch of enemies in same locations. That's a dungeon thing. Oh, there's some stuff down there. Hey, buddy, let's just stay out of line of sight. Okay, this is working well, and I got a tap tap from over there. What's a tap tap? It's an inverse rat. We got a flap flap. Oh, this is working so well. Because I can kind of avoid them. Which is the whole point. I might want to take this out of the pool or make it very rare. Got tap tap. Got an inverse rat. Oh, this is working so well. So you're the flap flap. Die. Okay, let's head out and get back in. As soon as I can figure out... Ooh, there we go. We'll hold on to that. Also, I gotta remember I have a superpower to run fast. Okay, this is working well. Okay, let's drop this here. Let's drop this here. It's not good to have it. Ooh, okay. Flashbacks to like day whatever. Okay, we got something up there. Oh, we got a knife. 1 second. We have an Rand bat. We have a battle axe. We have more knives. Don't have a license for one. Shh. Well, let's toss the armor. Get that. Oh! You bastard. He activated my, wand. Or staff, and he made the staff, burn. Don't need to worry about that. Should probably... take those off, the plants off the list. Okay, he didn't follow me. I don't have to kill the inverse rat. The inverse rat is a friend. Got a ring. Okay, I should be able to throw this at that and kill it. Okay, perfect. And we got gold. Ring is probably worth more than that. A gold bar is good. We're actually pretty close to the start, so... we would go up here. We would deposit that, and then we would run back down. So, drop. Drop. Don't have to fight the inverse rat if we don't want to. We go all the way back down here and we go, hey. Hey. The ring is probably worth more. What's flapping? Oh, I went down the wrong way. I should go down this way. Okay. I'm thinking I'm going to have to give myself like 20 HP to make this sane. Or maybe 10 would work. Okay, and we're out of debt for that one. Alright, I think that's working. So, let me get basic enemies and rare enemies into... the labyrinth... let's do the forest next. Okay. Up at the top, we got rare enemy already in there. Let's have a basic enemy flag. Rare enemy flag. Basic enemy flag. And I think I had it set up that I could have like 2 if I really wanted to. Just for giggles. Rare enemy flag. I think it's just like the items where I technically can have 2 per setup. Rare enemy flag. Oh, nice. You ate a character for no good reason. Sorry, I should stop. Basic enemy flag. If I can't do anything about it, I shouldn't bother. Basic enemy flag. Another basic enemy flag. We'll have that one not we'll have over here though. Enemy flag. And up here we'll have a rare enemy flag. That you can go through, except for this one. This one needs somebody to guard it. Rare enemy flag. Yes, just, I don't get it. Once again, someone to guard it. Rare enemy flag. And we can have a basic one up here. Basic enemy flag. That's going to cause a bug sooner or later, that it's deleting a comma next to it and it's deleting a character next to that. It is really unacceptable that an IDE can do that. Basic enemy flag, and for flavor, rare enemy flag. Once again, it deleted it. How do I avoid this? How many spaces do I need to make sure that it won't just randomly decide to delete things? Mm. And for flavor. Okay. We have that set up. Let's compile and go into the forest. Oh, it did it. It did the stupid thing. It deleted something that I didn't need. Oh, I hate this so much. Now I have to worry that this is not actually completable because I have a single int missing from all this. I don't like that. It is so dumb. Spit. Rock. Oh no, I should look over here. Rock. And damage. Ah, I forgot a +1. There we go. Hey, buddy. Oh, no. How appropriate. Now I have something to hit him to death. Oh, fodders! Rip and tear until the... You're actually being more deadly because you're not as suicidal as you could be. It's like you get into range and then you become dumber. It's working exactly like... Oh. Nope, nope. They're not this way. There we are. They're supposed to be really dumb. Okay. Oh god, there's so many of them. The roach came back alive. I think I need to adjust their aggro range. Mundane Goblin. Because they track perfectly until they're right at the edge, and I don't want that. They'll chase you forever, and then, I mean, that's kind of funny. It's kind of a screw you, but it's not exactly what I want. And I think I should tone it down just a little bit. Because the main idea was that they don't move enough, but if you start in range of that, it'll like be producing like every other turn, and you don't know that you have a million enemies coming through. Actually, I'm going to have that be a change. Shy Beast. Shy Knife Beast. I'm going to add a thing at the end of this giant monstrosity. Else, if entity array index dot enemy type entity type equals shy knife beast, if dist equals and dist equals 1, I believe that should be it. So if I stand next to a shy knife beast, it's not going to be shy anymore. Dot shy equals dot max shy. I should have just did all the work in there. Let's see. Make wizard set wizard. Okay, and let's drop in a shy beast. Set shy knife beast. Because it looks weird when it's attacking you without that. So we'll make it unshy if you decide to walk up to it. That didn't work. Thank you for... Get the... Dist equals 1. Shy knife beast. There's more of these, please don't be fucking around with me. If dist is less than 2... Sorry, I always go with less than, even though it should be that. STD cout dist and L. There we go. Whoops. Else. Not in. So we know FOV was set to false up there. And entity array index dot shy is greater than 0. We'll decrement it shy. I was going to use shy for the Cheshire Lion, but what's wrong? Oh, else if. I now know why Python has else if instead of else, then you'd have to type in if, because, yeah. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If entity array aggro is less than 1 and enta shy equals 0. Enta sprite, because I don't have it for turning back, because it's supposed to be just ticked off until you die. I'll let him. I'll let him mellow out. If you somehow get away. Nah, that's just ruining things. Okay. Let's No, I do have that down there. Nah. Shy Knife Beast can get mad and then stay mad forever. Oh no, what did I break? I just wanted him to... I broke something. I shouldn't have touched it. Zero, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So yeah, 10. I do have something down here for this, though. Now it's not flipping, and I don't like that. I think that was because he moved next to me. Yeah, now he's mad. Okay. Things are working at mostly as planned. Yes, I totally want to search down there. I don't know why it does that. And it just annoys me. Can I disable it so that it never pops up again? Probably not. Well, I probably can if I recompile this from source and blah 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 blah. Wait, what? Okay. Finish compiling, just to make sure. That was because he moved next to me. Yeah, that's him getting ticked off. Okay, and one more just to walk up to him. Alright. So I've been doing this for almost... Yeah, I need to eat at this point, and I need to possibly just do all the crap stuff off stream. Which is just setting up the basic enemy location, and then getting rare enemies set up, and then getting the other stuff set up, and then probably backfilling. But I also want to order something to eat. It's Friday. I said I'd get pizza on Friday, so I'm going to get pizza. And it'll be good. Pizza and wings, possibly. So yes. Okay, yeah, I was basically 3 hours. This is a little short today, but yeah. It's just going to be pointless backfill and me getting a little angry that stuff's not working right. We can go till half hour. I can get the basics set up for the rare section of it, and then I'll call it good, and then I can move on. Nope, I changed my mind. I'm going to give myself a little bit more time. See how I feel. I think that just, the Shy Knife Beast thing tilted me a little bit. Because I broke something that worked, and that's the worst thing you can do in programming. Just one more. And this is going to be the rare spawn. Rare spawn. It's going to go through here. Oh, I didn't actually do the rare monsters, did I? I can get that in there. Rare enemy spawn. Yeah, and that's perfectly fine. Okay, let's see. Void. Spawn rare monster. Unironically, just do all this. And then I need to count how many rare monsters do I have. Which is almost the same as common monsters. It's kind of... I'm not happy with that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's almost the same. I don't like that. And I'm going to just copy this. Because why type it all out again? Because integrity, that's why. So I said 12, so I cut down to 11. And Cheshire goes down there. Fodder can still be the break one. Monster Hunter. I should add a special thing that, like, Monster Hunter doesn't... Monster Hunter can spawn whatever. Yeah, I'm going back and forth on that. I'll think about it later. That's a balance issue, because Monster Hunter tracks you across the map. Monster Hunter can do 10 damage to you. And... that's a lot. I double-clicked that. Why did it do that? Mad Mummy, Chaos Chicken... Chaos Chicken, Janitor Slime. janitor, because janitor could be a little bit of unknown to you. And clock golem, who is there to ruin your day. Okay. In 10 minutes, I'm going to kill you. Unironically, he can do that, though. And then we're just going to get the spawn index of a random. Get random. Or get rare. Spawn location. And spawn rare monster. Entity array. Index 2x. Index 2y. And yeah, totally. I'm trying to enter an int into here. You want to bring up an entire other thing? Yeah. That's, IDs. Okay. Let's just run around and see what terrible things have happened with this. I should probably turn off the Yes, once again, thank you. Shy knife beast, turn that off. What's flapping? Oh, you little... Be gone! Be gone! I just killed an imp with a begum. Oh god, no. Oh god, there's so many. This one's a wash. I don't like that. I should check on there. That I don't think that's a glitch, and more that I have edited something to be wrong, but I haven't seen that before. And part of me thinks that maybe something is offset because trying to autocomplete, or trying to enter something, okay, that was just an axe. The IDE may have screwed something up, so now that's off by 1. You're sitting on a dirt potion, and that seems to fit. Oh. 1 second. I want to take a look now, because that concerns me. Alchemist Lab. We want to look for 2, actually. That will speed up the process. So there was something around here in one of these rooms that had a wall next to it. And I think it's more at the top. It's like one of these rooms, but it had... It's a I really don't like that. It's one of these sorts, and it had it in there. It'd be this one, but it had... It might have been a false wall. 1 second. Where did I complain about that? Like right in here? Yeah, it was. I was about to go into serious debug mode for a false wall. Oh, I'm sorry. Your life ends today, buddy. I have my... Oh. Oh, that's so funny. I wouldn't... and I wouldn't... Oh. Oh. I would have spent all this time debugging, but it wasn't. Okay, Z to drop. Oh, that's so funny. Okay, just a little dungeon beast. Can I throw and get that potion out of him? Nope, it was a water potion anyways. Whoops. That's going to live in my head for a while. What's that? Now I have the horror of possibly not finding the rare monster because the rare... Oh no, the rare monster is the dapper one. I ran around him. Okay, let's head back. The clock golem should tick. Yeah, I'm gonna add that. Okay, first... Go away so I can see it. Okay, you're right there. Oh, no. Okay, I'm going to turn down... I think that the spitting monsters, there should be like a 10% chance a stone is dropped near you. Spitting plant, stone type. If rand 3 equals 0, int get... ground equals get unused item array. If ground does not equal -1, set stone item array ground item array ground x equals x, item array ground dot y equals y, and set shy knife beast. Okay, that's fine. Was there anything else on there? Oh yeah, the spawner. Spawner. It just keeps making them every turn. Oh no, let's half that. And I want to take a look at the fodder AI, because the fodder... Fodder. Aggro range is like... How's the goblin work? This goblin's fine. Int.max aggro equals 150. We'll put it really high for no reason. Oh, okay. Oh, player.x and y. Okay, I am going to just check to see that this compiles, that this runs. And technically, I have a proper game right. Actually, one last thing I'm going to do. So, enemy action, time in dungeon, ++. If current area does not equal wizard main hub, time in dungeon ++, time left -. Then what do I do for this? This is not time left. Time left is initialized. Wait. That is set. What? Time left equals. That is set all the way up here. Why are... Oh. It's in this function. Okay. Let's global it like everything else. So that I can have several dirty functions touch it at once. One, 2, 3. Okay, time left minus. So time left time can just be empty at this moment. If current area equals main hub, you can see time left. Oh, thank you. I totally wanted that to be on the other line and not what I was working with. Time equals that. Else, time equals dungeon. Time left. Time left. Sure. Plus a standard 2-string dungeon, time in dungeon, minus 2000. Let's see how terrible that looks. And time in dungeon should reset. I hate that I know that it's equals maze, and then I get up to here. Oh. There we go. Time in dungeon equals 0. So you have 1,000 time. And now that covers over stamina. I'm going to flip those two. Yep, totally want to be down there. Now I have this ugly thing sitting on top of something I don't want to look at. Okay, so flip these two. So this is minus 17, and this is minus 34. Oh, and I'm surprised you didn't keep my cursor in there so I couldn't, you know, just hit up and run it. It's the little things that just bother me, because there's a lot of little things. Why is time left not updated? Time... I don't want to be down there. Time left. Jesus, it just annoys me so much. Okay, so this can go here. So time is always ticking down. You have 2 to go on. You have your time left. And then you have your dungeon time. If you're, and I'm going to have at an end of turn, HP less than 1. Player.HP less than 1. Restart game. Okay. Where are you set up? Restart game. Restart game. Dungeon. Restart game. Debt. Else if current area equals main hub and time left is less than 0 or less than 1. Menu index equals restart game debt, else if current area does not equal main hub and dungeon and time in dungeon is greater than 2000. That is a magic number and I need to fix that now. Int const max dungeon timer equals 25,000. Okay, and then menu index equals restart game dungeon. And we go down here, we find this one, and we're just going to copy and paste. It's going to be the same. Menu index equals restart game dungeon, or menu index equals restart game debt, and we look for the next one. else if menu index equals restart game dungeon, else if menu index equals restart game debt, dungeon portal close, start over. No, portal closed, no escape, start over. Wizard dissatisfied, sends you back to execute. Turned into chicken. Start over. Time up. We'll just have start over. Okay. Let's test this real quick. Oh, thank you. That's awesome. I love this. Did I not save in the count? I did not. Okay, let's just hit this 99 times. No, I'm going to change this. I'm going to add another constant of int const max debt timer. What? 10? Boop. Put this gold right here. Oh, it doesn't actually reset anything else. Okay. This needs to be reset on player default. Restart game, reset player. Okay. Okay, this can be 10,000. This can be 2. Portal closed. No, portal closed. Stuck. Okay. Portal I'm in the wrong one. Portal closed. Stuck. No, so I didn't stretch. Stuck. And I'm going to have... Oh, it didn't reset this. What? Player. Reset player. Reset player. Reset game. Okay, I guess I'll also move that. No menu state. Okay, where are you set? You're set here. So up to the top, into global space with Yi. Restart game. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. What is it doing? And then just, like, what does it do? It goes, Oh! That's because I'm not setting current area. Current area equals main hub. Okay, I waited out. I hit yes. Actually, it should be set before this so that it will put me at the proper spot. That was what was confusing me, because it looked exactly like I was coming out of the portal, because I effectively was. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. So, what I need to do tomorrow is I need to do testing. I need a proper start screen. That basically, I can mock up a pixel art thing that says, "You have been arrested by the royal family. And set for execution, but a wizard decided to have you to pay for the stolen goods and use you to get money. If you do not do that, you will be, if you do not do it in a certain amount of time, he will turn you into a chicken. Good luck. The portals are temperamental, and once used will stay open for only a certain amount of time and then take a bit to recharge or something like that. Because I don't want them to go like, okay, you go through this and keep going through this. I also want to add like a bed tile that if you go and sit on it, you'll get like, hey, do you want to sleep? And then it'll like spend some time, refill your health and refill your stamina and do any of the staff stuff. But that can be done later. I need to fiddle around with enemy placement, which it seems to work. And then I want to have enemy spawn-ins, which will increase as time goes on. But yeah, for now, I need to eat. I need to figure out some more things. Though stuff was taken care of mostly today, but a little light today. Only about 6.5 hours. I'd like to get it to a full day, but do know that I'm going to be working on CRUD. I just don't think it will be interesting to stream, and that I can just watch stuff and do other things. But otherwise, yeah, I think we're pretty good. I might even get in a few more enemies that I want tomorrow. I need to get more with the blood stuff because, yes, the sanguine moss might be a good one. It should just be something like if there's blood within so many tiles of it, it'll sprout up there so that it doesn't need to be right next to it, and it can just be really aggressive on that. And also, I want to make a weapon that when you attack with it, it'll make a blood tile if they can bleed. So, or roll the blood chance so that it can make like a splatter tile near it. Because that'll be actually a counter for the dapper guy. And it's just kind of neat. And it also might tick off the, janitors. So it has lots of possible interactions, and that's kind of what I wanted this to be about, is all the weird interactions that you can have happen. Anyways, thank you for joining me today, but I need to eat right now, so I will see you tomorrow for the final full day, which I will go full ham on this, because I will probably have a pepperoni and ham pizza for lunch and not have to go anywhere. So, yes, with that, have a good day, have a good time of day, and I will see you later.